equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, unplug your Dyson DC08. You'll need a screwdriver, a replacement cable, and new filters. First, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the panel is off, you can see the internal components. Check for any dust buildup and clean it out. This helps maintain performance. Next, locate the old cable. Disconnect it carefully, noting how it's attached. Now, take your new cable and connect it in the same way. Ensure it's secure. After that, it's time to replace the filters. Remove the old filters and check for any damage. Install the new filters, making sure they fit snugly. Before reassembling, do a quick visual inspection of all parts. Look for any wear or damage. Once everything looks good, replace the back panel and screw it in place. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, you can always reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure you're informed. Your Dyson will be back to its best in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.